Dogs, what's up? It's Rabid Fox 1990, and we're about to open up the Legendary Collection Kaiba. Like a boss. You're sucking dicks like a boss, laying out ass like a boss, eating ass like a boss. Seto Kaiba! Yeah. There we go. First of all, damn thing open. With my handy dandy key knife. Oh yeah. Time for this unboxing, bitch. Let's see what we got here. Been looking forward to this. I mean, hey, everybody's favorite rich snide, no, snide little, pretty boy in Yu-Gi-Oh! Finally got his own box. What we got here? Got us some Sweet Revenge. Nice. Get this damn thing to focus a little bit instead of being a freaking retard. Oh. Okay. Ah, the king of D. Ah, no, don't be so full of yourself, buddy. You probably got a little D between those legs. What's this? Destruction Dragon. Nice. Dragon Revival Rhapsody. And Loop of Destruction. Nice. Mega Pack 1, Legendary Collection Kaiba. Let's see what we got here. Bitch. Oh, Fiend Sanctuary. Blue Eye Shining. Kaiba Man. Yes. Oh, Virus Cannon. It's printed now. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Return of the Dragon Lords. Ring of Destruction. DD Crow. Sage with Eyes of Blue. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. World Star. Pack 2. Fight. Oh, A Assault Core, the King of D again. The Monarch Storm 4th, Full Force Virus, X Dragon Head, Dragon Legionnaire, Thunder Dragon, Protector with Eyes of Blue, Enemy Controller, and Beacon of White. Nice. Let's see. And, of course, round 3. Dragonic Tactics. Anti-Raigeki, Doom Virus Dragon, Force Raider, oh, Parrot Dragon, fuck to the yeah, XYZ Dragon Cannon. Oh, I've been wanting one of these. Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring, dude. Z Metal 10, Chain Disappearance, B Buster Dragon. Yeah, Buster, capping your bitch ass. And let's see what else we pulled here. Well, we already opened up all the packs. Nope. Stay, hang on. And here we go. See how sexy this board is here. Ah, dude, that is so bae. Look at that thing. That is just so. Oh, me gusta. So that's so awesome. Ah, look, we got enough space for links. Yep. See on the back there. Dude, I about want to just hang this up on the border of my room. That's awesome. Alright, ladies and gents, well, this is my opening of the Legendary Collection Kaiba box. Ain't got much else to say, I just want to end on 420 because I ain't right.